Hello, Taurus. What's up? Welcome to your reading. Let's see what's going on in your connection from the 17th to the 23rd of January 2022. It is a general reading, guys. May or may not resonate. Let's see. This is for Taurus, 17th to the 23rd of January 2022. Okay. Overall energy. All right. Let's see. Let me get the spread out and then we'll go ahead interpreting it. Okay. All right, Taurus. So, Taurus, I do feel there was a new beginning here that you had with someone. Okay. This person here probably thought that you were too much work. There was too much effort that had to be put in to make this connection work out. Maybe because it was just a passionate new beginning. There was a lot of sexual attraction from this person's side. All right. And this person was not really hoping that the relationship would reach a level where they actually had to put in the work. Okay, so there was a lack of teamwork from this person's side is what I'm getting here. This person here could be juggling you with two people. Okay, or just they have two choices here. Could be you and someone else. Okay, and they're going back and forth with it. They haven't made a choice yet. Or then this person is just here in two minds, okay, about what to do about this connection. They do know that this is a connection that was fated and destined. Okay, they do see you as a very fated and destined person in their life. Okay, who had to come into their life at the right time, at the right place. However, I do feel this person here is someone who is there could be cheating, could be for a few of you. For the others of you, this person here is not ready for commitment, and that's something that they're going back and forth with. Um, they still haven't moved on from you. If you think they have, they haven't. It's bullshit. They haven't moved on from you. All right. Let's see. Let's start clarifying and we'll know more. There was a new beginning here, okay, is what I'm getting here. But it was, like I said, it was like a clean start, a fresh start. And maybe this is a new person out here, relatively new person. Okay, let's see. Let's clarify. Yep, there was an ending out here and you move forward. It's almost because this person was here, like I said, didn't put in the work. Okay, so I do feel you as cutting this person off here, either because there was a third person out here. I feel there was a third party situation for a lot of you, all right, which is why things had to come to an end out here. Yeah, maybe this person cheated or they were already married or something like that out here. But you were like, no, I'm not going to be an option for sure. And you moved away from this connection, is what I'm getting here. Right now, I do feel someone holding back or holding on. Let's see. Yep. Yep. Someone out here is not still lacking. Someone here is still lacking accountability. Okay, so they want a new beginning in love with you. They want to communicate with you, but they want to keep it very light, all fun and games out here again. But they don't want to take the responsibility of the connection. I'm going to keep it very honest and no sugarcoating. All right. For a lot of you, this person here has put you on a pedestal. They feel like you're a star. Okay, it's like an unreachable goal. Okay, to be with you, but it's the passion, it's the love that they have for you, right? Which just can't stop this person from pursuing you. But they're being very closed off. So what the thing is that even though they're holding on to you, even though you feel that they've moved on, they've not. Okay, they want a new beginning with you. They are holding a lot of love for you. They want to communicate with you, but it's like it's gonna be the same shit like before. Like I said, this person out here, yes, it is on their mind to work on this connection. Okay, they're spying, they're keeping an eye on you here. All right, they want to work this connection out, but like I said again, this person here has an internal split. All right, so either they're contemplating on do they want to work on this or do they not, or they're contemplating between you and another choice out here. That's what I'm getting. Okay, very manipulative person out here. um let's see. Clever the lovers. So deep down here, even though you make them very, very happy, this person here wants to communicate with you. Okay, they want clarity here. You know what? Honestly, the kind of clarity that this person is wanting to give, in right? It's more like, you know what? Hey, I really, really like you. Okay, I like you very, very much. There's no one that compares to you. Okay, you're the one who makes me happy a lot, and you're my wish come true. Okay, that's what they want. They want direct communication here. But the problem here is that they're still thinking of being easy come, easy go. They're still thinking of being in and out of your life. Okay. And they do want a second chance with you, but the second chance is something which is not coming in with that. It's not coming in with that energy where, hey, you know what, I want a second chance because I want to make it right. It's coming off as, look, I can't get over you. I love you. I want you. Okay. I'm very emotionally attached to you. And, but I don't want to be tied down to you. How they want to move forward with you. Lacking patience, huh? This person here is holding back for no reason here. Okay, I just feel that this person here, they have a lot of self doubt. Okay, they know that this situation here, to make it work out with you, it's going to take a lot of inner strength. It's going to take action. It's going to take practical thinking. It's going to take for them to make that big, brave, bold move towards you. Even if they want to commit to you, right? This person out here is thinking, thinking, thinking. But the problem here is that they're giving up. They're giving up because they're fed up of waiting, or they're just giving up because they just feel that something's too much work. Like I said again, it's a very far reached goal for them. Okay, and it's it's like hard work. Okay, to probably convincing you back to get you to work with them. Like I said before, right? I do see this person still not ready to put in that work. Okay, still there's a lack of collaboration and teamwork from this person's side, which is probably why you're cutting them off. Okay, you want someone who's an action taker. You want someone who's like gets things done. And if this person is not ready to do it, we are just walking away. I also feel you're dealing with someone here who probably is not really interested in relationships right now. They're more focused on being alone, or they're more focused on just their work, all right, their own associates here. But the reason this person here is probably, they're holding back on purpose for a lot of you. Okay, they are. They're releasing themselves. I mean, I feel this person here somewhere somehow feels very stuck on you. Okay, so even though they feel stuck on you, right, even though they can't move on from you, they're trying their best to get over it. Okay, so there is no action from this person's side yet, because they just feel, like I said, it's never gonna happen. That's what they say, it's never gonna happen. Okay, I'm never getting Taurus back, so they're feeling, like I said, hopeless. They're being very manipulative. Yep. Now, this person out here, right? I feel that even though this person, they see you as the one, okay, they want growth with you, they want to take things to the next level here. But either, for few of you, either this person is already married, okay, in another commitment, okay, or for a lot of you, this person is still not doing what it takes. They are still focused on their money, their career, their goals out here, okay, and they're not being able to move on for you. They're not doing the right thing out here. Even though the love is there, they have a realization of what they need to do, what is the right thing to do out here, but they're not doing it. They're not being practical and grounded out here. Okay, they're probably letting their emotions overpower them. So although they want to take it with you to the next level out here, there's a lack of investment from their side. Why? Two reasons: either this person is already in another karmic situation, or they're very burdened with other responsibilities, which is why right now they don't have time to focus on this connection. Your advice out here is being diplomatic out here. Try for the Knight of Cups. Yeah, be diplomatic about it here. Although the connection is very strong between you both, you love them, they love you. What's the point out here? There is a lack of emotional fulfillment out here. And this is more like an on and off, on and off, on and off relationship. Okay, you're dealing with someone here who's very inconsistent. You are idolizing the situation here. Okay, honestly, you're just looking at things in a very positive way, rose tinted glasses out here. That's something that you shouldn't be doing right now. If you want a real relationship, you need to identify what the truth is. You need to make a more realistic approach out here, because right now, your relationship or your connection with this person out here, like I said, even though there's a strong connection here, none of it is still grounded into reality. It's still on and off, on and off, on and off. All right. So you need to emotionally disconnect, and you just need to. Can't see the cards. Shit. Yep. You need to walk away. At least for now, temporarily. All right, let's see. Your outcome here is the Six of Pentacles. So it does look like there is someone here who wants to invest into this, or this person here is finally coming in to invest into you. Let's see. Because I told you they're coming back around, right? They can't move on. I feel the way they're coming back here, it looks like you're not focused on them anymore. But now they realize like you're the one. What's the Six of Pentacles? Yeah. After a tough moment, this person here is ready to, okay, all right, nice. This person out here, they want something long term with you. They're ready to offer you something stable, secure out here. Why? Because there's been a breakup out here. The breakup, separation has given them a huge realization. They want to rebuild the connection with you. They're coming in with an apology out here, trying to balance out the connection. All right. But just be careful. This is someone very, very smart. So see to it that you're not getting the short end of the deal. All right. Although they promise you a full blown relationship out here, see to it that you don't get the short end of the deal. Sometimes what happens when you deal with people like this, the person out here is very smart enough to give you just this much and take this much from you. Okay. So just see that they don't take advantage of your relationship, of your kindness and generosity. However, this person here is all in for commitment out here. That's great. That's awesome out here. You need to detach in order for this person to realize your value. Till you don't detach, this person's not going to realize your value, which is exactly what the universe is asking you to do. Okay. So like I said, when they're coming around here, they do feel that you are not focused on them here, but this time around here, they see you as someone very nurturing, very caring. All right. And they want to take it to the next level out here, which is why they're, but listen, they're coming back towards you. I get it. They want something stable with you. I get it. But are they still doing what it takes to make it happen between you both, is what the question is. Okay. So that's what I have for you. Hope this reading resonates. Bye bye.